Hello, hello. Long time no see. It's been like 5 minutes. How we doing, everybody? We got Amy popping back up here, looking for that break above 24 again. GME at 141.74. SPY doing its thing. I did get out of those SPY puts right around here when it broke that 100, because typically we'll see that test of the 50 keeps coming down, test 50 keeps coming down. When it breaks above, it kind of messes around for a little bit, but if it breaks the 100, it's usually a sign that it's going to go up, continue to the upside. So I just got out, took a tiny gain. So, I mean, it's coming back down now. The contracts are bleeding out due to theta. So, I mean, even though the contracts expire tomorrow, I had to go a strike further out of the money because the SPY option chain, the market makers were like, we're not going to give you the contracts that you like today. But Amy is getting some action right here. Same thing with GME, moving very similar today. I wonder why. Very similar. Where's Pico? I don't know. I want Pico and that other dude to come back in here. That'll be fun. Pico is steady Kitty's stepchild. All right. Hey, if we got to play with shills today, fine with me. I love it on a green day. It's even more fun on a red day when we get to play with them. But hey, I mean, maybe they got paid to come hang out with us for like 2 days and they got to come. So let's see. How are we doing, people? He's getting TMI's bed. All right now. All right. Let's see here. Let the squirrel out of the closet. I don't have a squirrel. It'll feel nice to close above 24. Yeah, that would be sweet. Simply Smith, what's going on, my man? All right, people. We got SPY coming down a little bit here. GME and AMC are holding up nicely. AMC just cracked above that 24 again. We don't really need to look at IWM. Let's see how Prague's doing today. Prague actually, wow, went red. Interesting. All righty. I'm right here. Oh, what's up? Is the Fed speaking today or tomorrow? Tomorrow at 2. 2 or 2:30, I believe. I think the stream might start at 2, but they're not going to really get into stuff until like 2:30. Let's see here. Bank of America warns November annualized inflation could surge. No wonder. 100 million volume end of day. It could be. It easily could be. Any positive news? Not really. I mean, SV, let me Adam. I need my first pew pew. You can time him out if you want to. They'll stay in here and hang out. Charles Gasparino telling lies on Fox again. Of course he does. That's his job. He's a complete idiot. Ooh, Amy looking to get that cross above that 100 MA. You can do it, girl. You can do it. SPY getting a little candle here. Here we go. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Oh, what's up, Mass Gang? How are we doing? Let's see. Are we going to get the shills to come play with us in the last 2 hours of the market? I hope we do. It'll be very entertaining. I'll try to make it funny for everybody. Oh, boy. All right. TMI's pen. All right. Nice. All right. Yeah. For all you guys coming in right now, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. Just helps get some more people in here. As always, we're going to be on until market closes. And probably a little bit after, too. That's probably what we're going to end up doing. Do you and TMI coordinate hours? Well, sort of. Like, I know when he goes on and when he comes off. So I was like, oh, I'll just come on, like, at these hours. And it's also the hours that I'm free. So it works. Next semester, though, I got to figure out my schedule to, like, not have to go to class and just do this with you guys. Amy at 24:10 right now. Doing SPY is getting a little action here. What? I mean, I didn't see anything come through on the news feed. So if you won't let the poor squirrel out, at least feed him and give him liquid IV. Sure. How high could AMC go? As high as it wants to, according to how the market dynamics would react to the weird supply and demand dynamics that we have going on here, with the fact that we basically own the or more than the float. I'm on STV Squirrel. I'm on from 8:45 to like 11:45 or 12, depending on the day. And then I come back on at 2. And then I go all the way to close. Those are my hours. 280 price target by Christmas, says Victor. There you go. Where's Pico so I can roast him? Oh, yeah. We can set you guys free. If a new mod is itching to pew pew, I'm just listening as my life sucks doing cardio, so have at it. Oh. TMI's pen cap. Interesting. Yeah, where's Pico and that other dude with the Pepsi logo? If we MOASS and you're set for life, will you still carry on with college and finish? Yeah, I'll finish, and then I'll just do this all the time and have fun. I mean, I'm gonna do this regardless, so SPY getting a little action here. Amy coming down. GME coming down, but also getting a little bit of a pop. Tabasco Day was timed out. All right. So, oh my God, we're gonna talk about writing utensils again. Is that what we're gonna do today in the after hours stream? I mean, not the after hours, the afternoon stream. That's what we're gonna have going on here, people. I guess that's what we're doing. Waiting for Pico. I mean, how's school going for you? I mean, it's going. It's going. Am I the only mod in here? Nah, Pushing's in here. Finally off the road. Can't wait for a power hour. Power hour is gonna be fun, I think. I mean, market's bouncing up right here. If Amy wants to get a little spicy, she can. We're gonna need to break that 24.98. If we can break 25 today, that would be sweet. We just need to go on a little bit of a run. Amy's just loosening it up right now. GME's looking like it wants to pop. What's GME's day high? 144.07. Yeah, I mean, it's got some room to go. Can you speak on the 145 calls in January? I mean, there's a boatload of them. That's about it. If they run into money, we're gonna gamma squeeze like nobody's business. Ho ho! What's up, everybody? Pico's playing with his pen. Gotcha. He's writing some stuff down. That's what he's doing. Gotcha. Mass gang. What's up, people? Like on the way in, the OREV. Thank you, my man. I appreciate it. All right. Amy coming right down to that 200. It's hard to see, but it's this little red line right here. I mean, just right here. I don't know what other color to make it. That would make it different than the other colors. So right now it's dark red. I feel like bright red would be better. Aping in got me like, long time no see. What's up, M. Crease? How you doing? Alrighty. Amy looking for that break above 24 again. See if we can get there. SPY doing all right. I mean, it's still red. Like, it's still having a 1.15% red day ahead of this Fed meeting, which basically exactly what we were expecting going into this Fed meeting. But if we get a little bit of a push going into close, I mean, we have a lot of time left for AMC to go boom. Smash the like button on entry. Thank you, David. I appreciate it. Did you see the Venezuelan vixen upset Amanda Nunez on Saturday? I didn't see that. On here to attack Pico. Is everyone here to celebrate STV's birthday? It's not my birthday. It is not. All right, Prague trying to bounce back up a little bit here. How's Lucid doing? I know you guys were curious about that. Also, we got to do a little bit of an Ortex update. Lucid having a decent day after its addition to the NASDAQ. All right, Amy. Estimated short interest down 19.34%. Well, that's high. That's exactly what we were expecting. Remember, I'm looking for it to get over 1950. I think we saw it about at like 19.7 today. Then it came back down, but we have 2.25 million returned shares, 5.81 million borrowed shares. So they borrowed 3.26 million shares against AMC today. And it's jacking up that estimated short interest. A couple days ago, we were at 17. Now we're all the way up at 19, mid-19s. So I think we can definitely see us crack over 20, especially with the price action that we've been seeing recently. Amy getting that move above 24 here. Here we go. Short interest change again already. Stephanie, yeah, it did. It's going to change a lot. I mean, whenever we see those like returned or borrowed shares start to move intraday, that's when the estimated short interest is going to change. SPY getting a rip here. Here we go. Here we go. Lucid popping, GME getting up there too. Come on. Congratulations on 100 years in business. Thank you. I appreciate it. STV Squirrel, Pico's pen has shortcomings. Ooh, STV, happy birthday. Thank you, Kevy. It's not my birthday, but thank you. I appreciate it. Where's Pico? Where's Pico or my other best friend? Apple? Is Apple moving? Lucid getting a real... Oh, Amy, look at this. That's like a 50, more than... Oh, look at her go. Look at her go, people. Let's get some rockets. Let's go. GME getting a rip too. Look at this candle over here. Here we go. Let's break that 25. That's what I want to see. I want to see a break of 25 today. We're up about 6% right now. I want to break that 25. MOASS Tuesday? I don't know, man. Probably not. Pico's letting us down. Yeah, you can't count on the shills to come in and entertain us all the time. Sometimes you just got to take it into your own hands. just like Pico's doing right now. Oh, see? Made a good joke. Oh, there he is. Look at all the AMC culties talking trash while they gobble. GME ripping, AMC gonna slip. They're doing the exact same thing. I love this, dude. All right, we're gonna keep you in here for a while, and we're gonna have some fun with you. Here he is. Drop a like for STV. Thank you, Adrian. I appreciate it, buddy. All right, let's get it going here. Spy's getting up there. GME wants to go 143.36. Amy 24.50. I mean, 50 more cents. We just need literally another one of those candles that we've just seen to get it above 25. And then what happens at 25? I don't know. Yeah, the danger zone on both GME and AMC are much lower now. Like GME's before could have been 250, right around there. 250 or 300 to 300 was where the danger zone was with the shorts. Now, well, AMC's previously was like mid 50s, just based on like where they were shorting last time. Just like in that range, we saw us consolidate in that mid 50s and then really break down. And we couldn't get back above when we were running up to 52. So you could speculate that right around that level is where they didn't want it to go. Rhode Island, thanks for the super rip boiling water. You will be missed. Jeez. Happy birthday, SB. Thank you, Rhode Island. So now with the price action that we've seen, there's a lot of shorting, the increase in short interest in both AMC. I haven't even checked GME's. It's probably up there now. If it gets like 15, 16, that's going to be ridiculous. But if those start to get up there, ooh, Amy's looking like it wants to go again. Well, the danger zone is lower. So it honestly could be mid to low 40s right now on AMC and right around, I don't know, 210 on GME for the danger zone in terms of where the shorts are going to get really, really nervous. Those price levels we can go to very, very easily if we get some bullish momentum in the market and these stocks. So you may call me a GME elitist. You are, but I'm not the only one. Exactly. You're all idiots. I'm here to dab on AMC culties. You're an idiot. While reminding you, hashtag not a cult. You're just talking nonsense. Look at my legions of butthurt AMC client. You're the only one that's butthurt. Yeah, I think you're just jealous. I think you're jealous, Pico. Guys, GME and AMC are both great picks. You can like both. But if you're going to come in and be like, I don't like that one, you're an idiot for buying AMC. You're just stupid and you're no different than the mainstream media and you literally have no life. Pico, why are you not in a GME stream or a GME chat room? Why are you coming over here and talking to us? Like, it just makes no sense. Like, you're literally the same thing as a shill that says AMC and GME are never going to squeeze. Like, if I came over to you and was like, GME is never going to squeeze, what would you think? You're an idiot. That's what we all think of you. It's really hilarious. So, like, you're providing me with entertainment right now, and I like it. So keep going. They don't like him in GME rooms. Of course they don't. Listen to him. He's like that dude that like nobody likes ever. He's like, you know what he's like? He's like the kid from Polar Express. Speaking of the holidays, he's like the kid from the Polar Express with the yellow shirt and the glasses. He's like, well, actually, it's like, shut up, bro. Nobody cares what you think. When Lambo, when Squeeze. He's just trying to cause drama. I mean, I don't care. I mean, he can do whatever he wants. It's fun. I'm having fun. Amy at 24.50, GME at 143.35. Spy coming down a little bit, looking like it wants to get a little green candle here. Yeah, we're going to leave him in here. We're going to leave him in here for a little bit. Is it entertainment when you push legions of bag holders onto a stock with no chance? Hey, bud, the stock's up over 1,000% on the year. I mean, how are you bag holders? I mean, it stinks if you bought GME at like 500 and now you're bag holding. But I mean, I don't think the majority of us are bag holders, buddy. How are we bag holders? It doesn't make any sense. It's fun. All right, Spy coming down a little bit. Yeah, let's have fun. This is going to be a good time. See who just got a golden parachute and dilutes the stock all the time? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, more dilution is coming. It's the most that they can do right now is 46,000 shares if they wanted to. And then if we approve it, then they can do more. And then guess what? If we do a bunch more of them, the price might go down, but then we can pay off all our debt. So then you idiots over at like you who sit on their high horse when you cry debt, 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 fundamentals that are also just the same as the mainstream media, well, then you have no ground to stand on. So you're literally just like it's just you're being stupid. You're being a silly goose. This is so fun. You guys are having fun. Make sure you guys drop some likes on the stream. Help get some more people in here. Amy's looking like it wants to get going above that. I think we can. I think we have a very high potential to get above 25 by market close. GME coming down. AMC coming up. Oh, Ryan. Okay, Ryan got his first ban. There we go. It's not a ban. It's just a timeout. Pico got put in timeout. He got put in the corner where he belongs. What are you doing having fun here? No having fun. All right, here we go. Come on, Amy. Let's get that. I mean, it's battling at that 24.50 right now. Let's get it up there, though. Spy wants to come up. Dude, there's a candle on GME. Amy, your turn. SCV drinks on me in Hartford when MOASS happens. Hey, man, I'm down. I mean, where do you want to go in Hartford? Is there like a spot that we can go? I typically don't go. I used to work in Hartford. Oh, we got Boss Blunts in here. What's up, man? Pico was jeez. Seriously, be ready to hold into 2022. No big deal. Yeah, I mean, well, how many days we got left? Like 2 weeks? Like that wouldn't be very long. Spy coming down a little bit here. Jimmy coming down. Amy coming down a little bit. Lucid still holding up pretty good. How's Apple? Somebody was talking about Apple earlier. Apple down, coming back up though a little bit. Mohegan Suns. Oh, see. Watching the markets burn with you all. I mean, after this Fed meeting, I think we might be able to get another all-time high. Like it's very possible that everything's already priced in what Jerome's going to say. He says it, and then we just rip. Like, well, okay, here's tinfoil hat. Everybody's been liquidating crypto, right? That's what the thing is. Like crypto's been tanking. It's been having a tough time. What if they're liquidating crypto so that right after the Fed meeting, they could just buy and pump markets into the end of the year? What about that? Y'all ever think of that one? Yo, VIX just chilling, watching the show. What's up? Short interest settlement week. FINRA. Is it? J Powell going to say nothing changes? Yeah, it could be. Could be. I like that idea. I mean, it's very possible. Mohegan or Foxwoods works. I mean, I'll be at Foxwoods next weekend. Hit that like. How are you? Lovely. I'm doing good. I think Pico is going to. Okay. Of course, M. Creeks has thought that. M. Creeks has thought of everything. I would not be surprised if M. Creeks was like, yeah, I've been talking about that for weeks. And then I think I have this great idea. And she's like, no. I've been saying that. It's like, darn, just when I think I'm getting ahead. All right. Let's go Fed. I mean, they could pump it. Like it's very possible that they just start pumping. I mean, they're gonna tell us how fast they're gonna speed up the taper, but it's already priced in. We know the speeding. If they waited until this Fed meeting to be like, we're gonna speed up the taper, then we'd have like a 5% correction in the market in like a day. What they told us at the when Jerome Powell and Yellen were testifying before like the House Financial Services Committee, that's when we found out. We were like, oh, okay. And then we made money on SPY puts, and basically they've just been pricing it in until then. Foxwoods is the hood. It's in like the middle of nowhere. I mean, there wasn't an incident there last weekend, and I was like, oh boy, that's not ideal. They don't want Christmas. Yeah. I thought and said that last week, but I'm becoming less confident. Yeah. How am I not a mod? Actually, that is a really good question. M. Kriegs, I think we're going to have to add you to the mod squad. I feel like you've earned your place. Like you definitely have. All right, GME coming back up here. Amy at 24.51. We're battling at that 24.50 right now. I mean, it's flagging a little bit. How do you know if something is priced in? You can just kind of look at the price action. Like if you expect something very bad and bearish to happen, and then the markets run down up into that date, which they kind of have, you could say that that event is now priced in. The market has already made the move that it would have made off of that news coming out. So let's say the news comes out and it's less bad or less bearish than the market expects. Well, then they haven't priced it in. They've overpriced it in, so then we can start ripping again. All right, M. Kriegs. Oh, I almost banned you by accident. The buttons are right next. Oh, here we go. Can't take GME truth. Like what? You're not saying anything. All you do is come in here and be like, AMC sucks. GME's better. You provide zero evidence. Is Pico back being a good boy? No, he's not. But here we go. Oh, he's spamming now. Pico, you will get timed out for spamming. I'll time you out for that. Why am I getting so many different phone calls today? Hold on. Let's see. Your car is extended warranty. We're going to have none of that. Are you from Cheshire? No, I'm not from Cheshire. If there's a squeeze, do you think it's likely to happen near close? I think we would. It would probably start pre-market or in the aftermarket one day, and then we would see it start to go into effect the next day, and people would get excited for it and start buying, and the FOMO and it would just get really, really aggressive. 24.40 run right now on Amy. Pico sells extended warranties. All right. Once we squeeze, I'll hire Pico to shine my shoes. Jeez. You guys are ruthless. Ooh, SPY getting up there. There we go. Joey says, I have both AMC and GME. So that dude to stop being a hater. Yeah. We need to have a lot of buying pressure for the squeeze. Yeah. Do you think we'll fill that gap at 17? We could. We don't have to, though. That's the thing. We don't have to. Yo, VIX, do the comments get read by computers that rate sentiment? I mean, on YouTube or like on, I mean, I don't know. I don't know how their algo works. I mean, if I did, I'd probably not be on YouTube all day if I could figure out how the JP Morgan algorithm works. But I kind of want to mess with their algorithm. We could do that. Just everybody say like very positive things about AMC, like AMC is about to explode, like stuff like that, and just keep it going, and then see what happens to their algorithm. Ooh, look at SPY. SPY wants to come out to play. So does Amy. Boat flag coming? Yeah. Ortex update? Yeah, we can do that. Hopefully there's not a white flash. I hate when that happens. Oh, we're good. I think they fixed it. All right, we're still at 19.35% on the short interest on Amy. Airplane mode. What's up, man? STV is AMC's dad. I don't think so. We need to start searching for AMC on Google every day. Yeah. Did I sell your SPY? Yeah, I sold it right in this range. I forget where it was, but when we cross that 100, I get out because it typically will test this 50 and just keep coming down. But when it breaks it, I kind of hold it and see what happens. But if it comes up to the 100 and then breaks that too, that's more bullish than. And it's been holding up above pretty well. It came down, tested it, but then came right back up. So we are getting a little bit of bullish action going into close. Did the Fed speak today? No, they had their closed door meeting, but they're going to be speaking to us tomorrow at about 2. So this stream tomorrow is going to be wild. We're going to be watching the Fed and what they're going to tell us. So let's see. GME popping up here. There we go. What's the day high at? 144.34. Pretty close. Amy back to that 24.50 fight. Just searched it for the day. Yeah. Oh, good for Google Trends. Ooh, that would be interesting. Pico's a dead cat. I think he's gone. I haven't seen him. I haven't seen our other friend either. Can we get 350 likes in the next minute? That would be sweet. Thanks, David. Pico uses hind ketchup on his spaghetti. That's gross. Around what time's the Fed meeting? 2 to 2:30. Going to be some tall candles tomorrow. Yeah, very volatile day tomorrow. Here we go. What is this? 2460. SPY looking like it wants to come up. So does GME looking. Oh, just made a new day high. Here we go. GME's getting aggressive right here. So is Amy. GME making day highs right now around 145.39. Amy's day high is 24.98. So if we break that with any sort of momentum, we're going to go right through 25. I didn't ban Pico. I think he's in timeout. I think he's in timeout. I think she's looking like she wants to get freaky. Come on, Amy. What is going on here? FedEx 98. Yeah, no, nothing. Bank, yeah, nothing on the news feed. Let's see. He's in the underworld. He's just in timeout. We put him on the stair steps for a little bit so we can think about what he's done and how he needs to behave in the live chat in order to maintain his role as STV's live stream's favorite shill. I would like 27, but that's just me. Hey, man. I mean, we can ask for whatever we want. I would love some 25 to start. Let's take some baby steps, and then we're going. You know what I'm going to do if it goes down? Nothing. Oh, here comes Pico. GME is better than AMC. It's statistical proof. Just because it costs more. Okay, you honestly might be brain dead. Then if you think that a stock is better because it costs more, then you should just go buy Berkshire. Is what you should do. That is going to be what I suggest that you consider, because you think stock costs more, better stock I buy. That's literally what you said. So if that's your thinking, just go buy Berk A and you spend like 200 grand on some shares. Have a nice time. Keep him as the Joker in the corner. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. SV, you are the best AMC and GME streamer ever. Thank you. When Liquid IV? I don't know. It's right here. I could have some more when I get thirsty. All right, SPY coming down a little bit. Amy at 24.53. Oh, good one, STV. It is fun. See, that's why I always leave the shills in here. Go buy Chipotle. Exactly. Matt is on Fox? Where's that being streamed? Where is he? Somebody send me the live link. Is it this one? I don't see it yet. I have it up right here, though. They usually hate me when I do this. He's on at 2:30. Usually they're late, though. What's been your play of the day? I mean, I had SPY puts that I made like barely any money on because I bought them like back here. They rode them. I rode them all the way down here. It bounced up, crossed the 50, sold them right around here for like, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks. It was like nothing today. Oh, you don't like dilution. Ooh. What's that, Vegas? Oh, no. Hold on. I got to come back to you guys. I left the studio for a second. Did I glitch out? Did I leave you guys? Is that what happened? Because sometimes I click links and it just goes into that same tab, and I don't know if it glitches out the stream. I'm looking right now. Is he on? He's not on right now. And it is 2:30. So let's see. I don't know. If he's on, I'll play the audio. They really hate me when I play the visuals, though. Pico, the idioto. Yeah, I like Pico. He's fun. Add some spice to the chat. Still worky? Nice. Pico put his life savings in Squid Coin. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. So if you guys don't mind, just drop some likes on the stream. We're waiting for Matt to come on. I don't know if I don't see it yet. I mean, I technically do have the live link up. Matt said he would be on Fox around 2:40. Oh, cool. Perfect. So we'll do that. We'll listen to what Matt has to say. Pico, if Pico doesn't like me, Pico's definitely not going to like Matt. Hey man, just listen to your new album. It's fire. I don't have an album, my guy. I'm not a musician. Honestly, I don't know who Pico is, but if you're targeting him like this, they have an opportunity to file a harassment lawsuit. Don't give them that opportunity. He's targeting me. He's targeting us. He's calling me mean names on the internet. All I did was tell him a potential investment because he likes stocks that cost more. Okay, now we're congratulating me on the album release. Great. I'm going to go platinum. Here we go. All right. Amy's battling around at 24.50. As if he got bars. I don't know. Mom, he said bad things. Oh, this is great. Don't stoop to their level. Joshua, we're providing entertainment for the stream. Just heard you had twins. Stop. All right, hold on. Let me get this link back up. All right, Matt's not on yet. Oh, he was on Matt's stream this morning too? Oh, I love it. I love it. He's making the rounds. All right, Amy at 24.62. Spy coming back up here. Let's see if we can break that 25. Congratulations on your stoop, kid. Gonna stoop. Buckle up. Here we go, people. All right. Makes the vibe so much. Joshua, you really want to add music? I can try to do that. Let me see if I can do it right now. Video clips. Background. Ooh, that might be it. Oh, upload? I don't know. Settings. Let's see if it's in my settings. Audio. Show advanced options. Ooh. Shortcuts. I don't know how to do it. I probably shouldn't mess around with this right now while I'm live. Sorry. Apologies. I don't know what Stoop Kid is. Play my mixtape. I don't have a mixtape. All right. Is Matt on yet? No. All right. Congrats on my Nobel Peace Prize. I appreciate it. Married, divorced, twins. You're a busy man, Vix. Stephanie, I know. I'm very, very busy. When I'm not live, I'm all over the place. All right. Amy chilling right around that 24.50 mark. GME 145.04. Congrats on finally getting your car fixed. You know what? That's the one thing I need congratulations for because I'm not going to get it fixed. I just need to like sort of get it fixed and then just make it somebody else's problem. Just ditch it. All right. Retail investors plowed a net 32 million into AMC and 42 million into GME last week, according to Vanda Research. There we go. What's my rap name? I feel like it would just still be STV. Can you put on the Fed speaking? The Fed's not speaking right now, are they? Diamonds, they're playing Diamonds Are Forever, I think, before Matt comes on. That's funny. I think he's about to come on. Here he comes. Oh, I got to clear off my space so I can make everybody hear. Unless it's a commercial. All right, they just went to commercial. Mark, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate it, man. Can I check out RKT? I have $25 puts. Oh, you have 25 puts at 15 for this Friday. Yeah. Here's the thing. Here's the problem. Depending on when you bought them, you might be green on them right now. The issue is that tomorrow with the Fed, after they release whatever they're going to say, the market could just go nuclear. It could just be all-time high season until the end of the year. So if that happens, your puts are going to get blown out. I'm expecting that the volatility, like the choppiness that we're seeing in the market, is going to slow down after the Fed meeting. And we're going to start to slowly see that money come back in. But at the same time, that's one of the reasons why I'm not like making plays for like weeklies this week. I'm just waiting to see what happens. If they give me something, I'll take it. Like if they say something and the SPY just goes tanks, then I'll start making plays. But buying stuff before right now is kind of a little bit YOLO-y for me. So could it hit? Yeah, that's a big percentage move that you would need to see to get to 15. What's today? Tuesday? You got some time, but Fed speaking at 2:30. Where's this? Hold on. All right, we're gonna have to pick. Are we gonna listen to Matt or are we gonna watch the Fed talk? I think the Fed speaking at 2:30 tomorrow. That's what I've seen. That's Yahoo. I mean, I don't because typically what we see is when you type in Jerome Powell on a day like this, you'll see like everybody watching, and there's gonna be a million streams up that are saying Jerome Powell live. I don't see anything like that right now, and it's 6 minutes after we should have seen it. So I don't see it. I mean, the market's not reacting super volatilely like right now, so I don't think we're getting Fed comments. And I would see it come through. I would see it come through on this news feed. So I'm 99% sure it's tomorrow. Yeah, Fed's tomorrow. All right, they're still on commercial over here. Let's see. Make sure you guys drop some likes on the stream too. We're gonna be on here for a while. Amy, 2442. GME 144.20. We got RKT up here. Let's get Prague up here. How are they doing? How's Prague doing? Red. Today and tomorrow. Okay. What's my? It's just short the VIX 1 is my Twitter. We go down when Matt talks. I mean, come on, guys. All right, they're still on commercial over here. Thanks for not banning me for posting links. Yeah, I don't care as long as they're not like wild, crazy links. Patrick, my Twitter's short the VIX 1. I know they had their closed door meeting today, but I don't see anything about. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, we would see stuff come through. Sell your heavy AMC bags and go all in on GME, says Pico. Pico, stop giving financial advice to everybody. How about that? The SEC is going to come after you. You guys can do whatever you want with your money. Probably wouldn't listen to Pico, though. SPY coming up. All right, here we go. Come on. Short interest settlement this week? Yeah, I mean, then we'll just get some new exchange reported short interest numbers. All right. Now we have Charles Payne talking about Jerome Powell. They just came off commercial. So let's see here. Here's what we're gonna do. We gotta move all my empty liquid IVs. And then we're gonna set ourselves up so you guys can hear Matt talk when he comes on. Alrighty. Pico, drop a like. Yeah, Pico, you better be liking the stream, buddy. I'll hire you to shine my shoes. Jeez. Silly Chickens, Matt's got a scheduled live chat at 1. Doubt he's going on live. I mean, at 3. He's usually on 3. I don't know. I mean, is that everybody's saying that he's going on Fox? Would really like to wake up to AMC price above 1,000 one day. Yeah. I mean, we'll see if we get there. Ooh, AMC coming down a little bit. Same with SPY. AMC is transitory. I don't know about that. I wish SCB would notice me like he notices Pico. Hi, Mark. Oh. Larry Kudlow is on Fox right now? Interesting. There you go, C-Pain. Moving up in the world. I dislike the stream. Pico, you know that dislikes still count as engagement, right? So it doesn't matter. Like, it counts the same as a like for the algorithm. All right. Amy at 24.18. SPY coming down a little bit here. Nothing too crazy is happening. Sent a photo. Yeah, Tuesday. So yeah, but they're not speaking today, guys. Tomorrow, Wednesday, 2 p.m. FOMC meeting, and that's going to be the press conference. That's the big time. We're not getting like Fed comments right now. C. Payne said first Larry Kudlow, then Matt. Oh, there we go. All right, so we got Larry Kudlow on right now. Waiting for the Duck King to go on live. Let's see. All right, SPY coming back up a little bit. GME with a nasty red candle here. That one was for you, Pico. AMC got one too. Make Pico a mod? No, I'm not doing that. On his own Fisher Price channel? What's that? Oh. All right. You guys are making me laugh today. This is great. All right, SPY coming up now. Let's see what happens. All right. We got Larry Kudlow still talking. Everyone knows they have to raise rates. Just rip the Band-Aid off and raise. They got to taper first. You sold all your AMC. Oh, cool. So you're upset that you took a loss. So you're a paper hand is what you are. Like, you can do whatever you want with your money, but you can't come in here and be like an elitist and then just be like, oh, I paper handed. Be over president. No, no, no. All right, let me see. Larry Kudlow still speaking. All right, what's Amy at? 2407? If SPY makes this move up to VWAP, which it looks like it wants to by the end of the day, we could get aggressive. But we'll see what happens. I mean, this is still a great day so far, up 3.5% on AMC, up 4.8 on GME right now. Mad about his paper cuts. Yeah. Every time VIX is streaming, AMC falls. You must not have been around for the night streams where in the last 10 minutes we saw AMC just rip for no reason. Like every single day. Those were fun. AMC Ortex? Yeah. We'll do Ortex and then see if Matt's on. Oh, there was the white flash. All right. Still at 19.36% estimated short interest. Larry is still on. Apple Put's going to print. I mean, they could, but we'd have to see. We would have to see what happens tomorrow with the Fed meeting. It's just a wait and see situation for me. All right, so 23.99 right now on Amy. We got GME at 142.87, both coming down right now. Boom boom candle, then down again. Totally normal price action. Yeah, is he on? Nah, we still got Larry. On in a minute. All right. I'm watching. I've got it up over here. We're just going to listen to the audio of it because they get mad at me when I show the actual thing. So let's see. Here we go. End of the day, push below 20. Yeah, all right. All right, we still got Kudlow talking. My bad, he just tweeted about his stream with C-Pain. Is he streaming with C-Pain? I don't think so. AMC dragging GME down. That's just not how it is. It's just not how it works. So you admit that they're linked. They're all linked because you can't have Bed Bath & Beyond, a company that is in such a different industry than both AMC and GameStop, rip in the after hours, and then AMC and GM both go with it. So your arguments for one being the superior one is pretty much invalid because they all move. Amy right now, 23.94. Let's see. Apple could be a 10x play. I mean, on your puts, maybe if you hit it right, but bought him a GME gift card for his birthday, and he thinks it's stock. He's not too bright. Jeez. Jeez, you guys are ruthless today. I love it. I love it. Let's have some fun. Those $25 contracts on the 17th, they're pulling this bad boy down to 24 range. On the calls or the puts? There's not a lot of calls. The puts maybe, but not that. There's not that many of them. We need some boom boom candles. Yeah, a big green would be nice. It always is. All right, here we go. We might be getting Matt coming on right now. Okay, commercial. Awesome. Great job, Fox. Keeping us on the hook. I think Kenny is paying him. That's fine. 92 million volume. Haven't seen that in a while. No, we haven't. And we're only up 3.5% right now. We are definitely going to hit over 100 million volume today. Calls on AMC's volume. All right. SPY coming back up here. A little red there. Let's see. Jeez. All right. All right. Pico's disappointed mother. Relax. Relax, buddy. That was a little aggressive. You need to keep it slightly respectful in here. He's really only in here. This is the why I leave the shills in here. He's only in here so that when he makes dumb statements that some people may actually believe, you'll see by my reaction to them and how I just respond to it, how silly they are and just they're stupid. That's why I always leave shills in here. Because if you just ban them, it's like, no. But then people are like, huh, what did they say? But like I just leave them in there so we can just be like, oh yeah, this is just the dumbest thing ever, and it's not even worth like continuing to talk about. All right. Fox Business still on commercial. Here we go. We've had 1 billion volume. Yeah, I know we had. It was like 1.2 billion before it got cut off. SPY making a move here. SPY to VWAP. That would be sweet. Seems it always goes red when Trey and Matt make a TV appearance. I mean, correlation causation. All right, still on commercial. Be nice, Pico's only 11. All right, Amy just crossed back above 24. SPY's getting a little action here. GME hanging out at 143.60. Here we go, people. Don't we want SPY to crash? Not really. We saw what happens to AMC when SPY goes down. You guys want to see that again? You want to see it again? I don't think anybody does. So let's let SPY go up a little bit, have its fun, make some new all-time highs, and let's see AMC go boom. What happened? Elon's tweet. Yeah, I saw. Yeah. Elon was messing around with Doge this morning, huh? All right, still on commercial. No, we don't want SPY to crash. I wanted SPY to tank this morning because I had SPY puts. Other than that, not really. Cap, thanks for the super. Missed you too, my man. Missed you, dude. Can you check BKKT for a gamma? Yeah. I mean, their short interest, I believe, is ridiculous. And then we got to make sure that we're on. Pull this over here. Well, yeah, there's nothing in the money on this thing. What's the float on it? $35. If it gets to like 20, then yes. Other than that, not really. For this week. Let's see here. All right. SB stream is 30 seconds delayed. Yeah. Is it 30 today? All right, here we go.
And they still look vulnerable. And it's clear there are fewer diamond hands than you certainly would see on social media. The individual revolution, investor revolution, has been focused on these names in part. And listen, let's face it, there's a major success. There's a lot of money made at the beginning of the year. We're now at something akin to a moment of truth. So I want to bring in investing YouTuber, investing ape, Matt Kohrs. Matt, there's an old saying on Wall Street that's...
I'm pretty sure I have to talk during it, so the YouTube gods don't get angry at me.
What do you think is going on here?
I think recently there's two major things going on. First of all, with AMC and GME over the past 2-3 weeks, the short interest is rising, which is just more supply. And obviously with more supply, the price is going to go down. AMC has just under 20% short interest. GME has just under 15% short interest. On the other side of it, I think the big entities, the whales, the institutions, the hedge funds, are kind of reacting to what we're seeing in the overall market. I was listening to your previous segment, and inflation is extreme right now. I think everyone is waiting for the Fed result tomorrow, and I wouldn't be that surprised. I don't think it's implausible if some of the big players are pivoting out of some of these high-risk equity classes, and I would definitely say AMC and GME are what would be considered a high-risk equity class.
So, I've done a number of stories on this show using my own experience of really buying and holding. And, and I always make the point that, a lot of the names that I've made big money on were against me sometimes for years. So the point for me is it's a lot harder than simply posting tweets. So, How confident are you that the ape community is going to stay the course? By the way, I've been kicked off Twitter for weeks. I apologize for not being able to reach out to all you guys, but I have faith they will. But how confident are you?
My confidence level is unwavering at 100%. Beyond the hopeful future success of AMC and GME, I think a core pillar of this ape movement is fighting against a market that is riddled with off-exchange trading, the opaqueness of FTD reports, the high concentration of power in market makers that is doing nothing more than increasing the fragility of the system you and I love. So we're just fighting against all of these issues going on in the market that I wholeheartedly believe need to be fixed.
And it's a damn shame that I can't get Gary Gensler on the show. Hey, I got less than a minute to go. I'm going to ask you about AMC CEO Adam Aron. You know him pretty well. Are you surprised, even let down about how much stock he sold? I'll tell you for the record, I am. He intimated he was going to sell some shares, but not as much as that he sold so far.
Yeah, I get that, especially because on the higher level, of course, media who doesn't like what's going on are going to use that as some ammo. On a personal level, though, I guess I was raised to not watch another man's pockets. We've known this since Q2 that he's 67. There is estate planning. And we also know that there's future vesting that involves 3 million shares for him. So as a personal level, I don't care much. But the way a lot of media is going to distort it, I do find it pretty frustrating.
Matt, I wish we had more time, but I appreciate you coming on. And we're going to talk.
All right, that's that. So right as the market's coming down a little bit. GME had one too, but I was like, right as they say, like CEO sell some shares, it's like it tricks the algo and it's like sell. It's the silliest thing. So yeah, that was a good answer. Like he always crushes it on those interviews. So definitely a good person to have doing those. So SPY coming down a little bit here. We got GME holding up 143.97. AMC 24.05 right now, up 3.3% today. Not doing so bad. If you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream again. You guys have been so supportive recently. Thank you guys so much. Short so desperate. Try harder, Kenny. Yeah. Let's see. Hey, Pico. What do you got to say to that? Did Matt talk? Yeah, he just did. We just went through it. You can rewind like a couple minutes and we were going over it. Patrick, stop spamming. Yes, he did. We just listened to it. So, all right. We have about an hour and 7 minutes left in the market. I mean, it looks like SPY wants to keep this move up going into close. I want AMC breaking 25. That's what I want to see by the end of the day. I want some bullish action. That's what I want to see. Some bullishness out of Amy over here. That's what I want to see going into market close. At least we are being recognized on TV. 100%. 100%. Market closing early today? No, it's got an hour and 7 minutes left. Closes at 4. It's not a holiday today. All right, SPY coming back up. Amy at 24.03. Here we go. Amy needs to finish over 30 on Friday. It doesn't need to, but it would be nice. Let's see. VIX, check out the return and borrowed shares on Ortex. Yeah, I mean, it's right here. 2.25 million, 5.94 million borrowed. Let's refresh this, see if we got an update. Don't flash. Here we go. Still 19.36 estimated short interest. So, I mean, looking very good today still. Short interest going up. We're going to see the effect of the utilization over the next couple of days. I mean, shorts haven't covered. That's really as simple as that. Let's see. What do I want for Amy? 25. Bullish or bearish, it doesn't change anything. Maybe it slows down the result, but that's it. It's the same result. Exactly. I want to see Astro on pain. That would be funny. I would 100% tune in for that. That would be sweet. Let's see. Here he is. Just dropped 20K on each on GME and AMC at 23 and 140. Corey, you absolute whale. Atta boy. We need SVTMI Houston, TJ Boss on TV. I'd go on TV. If he was like, hey, VIX, you want to come on? I'd be like, yes, I would come on. Oh, John C. Please don't spam. John, stop it. Stop it. You're clouding my screen. You get one of those. If you do it again, I'm timing you out. I know there's a delay. So, John, all right. John, no. Yeah, Stephanie's got the right idea. No spam. All right, Spy. Amy hanging right around that $24 mark. We've seen it at the 24, 24.50. I want to see it do this at 25. That's what I'm looking for by the end of the day. Hey, Vix, I do have a serious question about a margin account. Got 10 seconds. I have one. Yeah, just ask it. I'll see it. I mean, it's going to be, just ask the question. The Daily John spam. I've never seen that before, but it was kind of wild. Can you theoretically borrow shares and use them to exercise a put option, creating a short position? You would have to buy. So, I mean, technically maybe, but if you sell puts, you're selling the right to somebody else that you're going to buy their shares. Oh my God. My shares are not for sale. I'll buy them in my walk for my kids if MOASS hasn't happened yet. I think that was a typo. Need a squeeze before Christmas. I mean, it would be nice. It would be nice to start ripping before Christmas. If the market starts to get that bullish momentum back in and we start to see more all-time highs, AMC is going to rip too. So is GME. So are all the other stocks too that have getting wildly aggressively shorted over these last 2 weeks. Lawrence, if I have a margin account and not using any margin and cash positive, can a broker vaporize me because they are in trouble? No, because technically you would have bought them all with cash, unless they're buying them with, like, unless it's them buying them with margin and then saying that you bought it with cash when you actually didn't. Like, then yes, but other than that, no. You can probably just turn off margin though. Are we out of the woods yet? We are not out of the woods yet. Pico, you say AMC's for cultists, but the way you're talking right now, it sounds like you're in a cult. Like, that's literally how you sound right now. You're like, your cult is worse than my cult. Like, dude. Zap him. I'll zap him this time. Timeout. All right. Amy popping back up here. 24.23. Give us the Ortex data. All right, fine. I just did it though. Is that like a joke? Like, you guys come in and then like somebody asks the Ortex data and then like 30 seconds later, you're like, can I have the Ortex data? We can do it. It's fine. I have it right here. 19.36%. The thing is though, is that if you go back a little bit, you'll probably see me do it. And then it doesn't change like quickly like that. It doesn't change very quickly. It takes a while for it to re-update. Amy at 24.20 right now. GME coming back up 144.48. Can I get a wrench? I'm going to time someone out. No. I said exercise the option, not sell it. On what? Yo, can I have Ortex data? Shut up, White. People are listening like Kenny right now. Yeah. Can I have Ortex? Shut up. Stop. Because now I'm not going to know if people actually want it. Ortex on D-Nut. I could. See, I know you guys like to make the joke about D-Nut, but D-Nut is Krispy Kreme. But you could have missed the update, but there isn't one. SCP Pico wants Ortex data. No, you can't have it. We just did it. I'll pull up the GME Ortex data on my other screen and be like, okay. And then I'll just not say anything about what it is. Ortex on Squirrel? Nah. Rebel, I just gave it to you. Oh, man. All right, Amy popping back up here. Here we go. Ethan, thank you so much for the super. Thank you guys so much for being so generous recently. You guys don't have to do that. But shout out to those of you guys who do. Thank you guys so much. We wouldn't be able to keep doing what we're doing without you guys. So thank you. Ethan says, looks like a relish market. What do you think about LGVN? High short interest. Got decent fundamentals right now. Just joking. I have an Ortex login. Then what are you asking me for? Spy popping back up. Oh, Rhode Island, thanks for the super. Ortex on PCO. It's probably heavily shorted. I would say that that's a heavily shorted stock. Happy birthday, Ortex. We have Ortex on Ding Dong? No. Can you get a Prague update? Yeah. Prague it was decently green and then it sold off. Prague's down 1% right now. It's at 249.50. So basically 250. Oh, here comes SPY up to VWAP. Ortex on STV's birthday. The OREV, thanks for a super PCO. Your girl owes STV an apology. No, it wasn't him. It was somebody else. So we had 3 different people in TMI stream earlier where we were just yelling back and forth, and it was very, very fun. SPY is getting some action here. Come on, Amy. We know you want that buying volume to bring you back up to 25. That's what we want out of you going into close. It is now power hour, people. Here we go. Do you practice the phrase, thanks so much for the super, just messing with you? No, I'm just being thankful. Like, you guys don't have to do that. What's the Ortex on Ortex? I don't know. It was hilarious. Thank you, Stephanie. I appreciate it. Should I buy Alibaba stock? Okay, here's what I will say about Alibaba. Personally, I hate it for a couple of reasons. One, they can do whatever they want with their accounting and say, like, within reason, they can mess with their accounting because they don't have to really abide by our standards right now. They do coming in 2022, I think it is. But then every like 3 months, you'll just see the United States government be like, we're going to delist all Chinese stocks. And then they tank. So you're going to have to deal with that. Oh, no, the mouse died. The mouse died. Uh-oh. I forgot to plug it in after the stream. This one's a dead mouse. All right. We got AMC over here, though. So this is what we're going to do. You guys can't get an Ortex update for a while because I got to charge the mouse. Yeah. So the thing about Alibaba is what's going to happen is that in all these other Chinese stocks is every couple of months, you're going to see the United States government be like, we're about to delist all of them. And then they tank. And then you just say, I don't want to deal with any of that. And Alibaba's been on that super big downtrend over the last couple of months. It's like, not for me. It's not a dead mouse. It is a dead mouse. Pico killed the mouse. Age is just a number. Okay. Well, nope. We're not going to be doing any of that in here. Can you charge AMC too? I'm doing that right now. See, right here. See, right here. Boom. Amy, 24.35 right now. AMC Ortex, stop. Stop it. Dang, you're worse than my son with his PS4 controllers. You know what? Use my finger. It's not a touch screen. Pico, you make me laugh. Oh, Amy's getting some boom boom candles right here. Cameron, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate it, man. Who is KWG Holdings in China? Great stream. Keep it up. I don't know. Hold on. We'll do this quickly, then put the mouse back on the charger. KWG Resources. I don't see KWG Holdings, though. I'm not sure. Is it like... Oh, Amy looks like it wants to go. Here we go. What's SPY doing? Coming up a little bit. GME is getting rippy right here. But AMC looking like it wants to have some more fun. All right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do this, and we're going to give her some room to go. What's the Ortex on Ortex on Ortex? Oh. The mouse is no longer dead, but now it needs to recharge. Let somebody buy back their shares already. I mean, I don't know. People Pico talk more smack. Yeah, do it. I want to see AMC get above 25. Thanks, STV. It's working. I mean, it's working now. Okay, so the IWM Ortex, you're going to see the amount of shares that are potentially sold short, but you're not going to see the actual short interest. I don't know why. I was looking for the float today, and I just couldn't find it. The mouse is napping. Shh. Great job today, VIX. Thanks, North Carolina. I appreciate it, man. No joke, but please, Ortex on AMC. It's 19.38 or something. That's what it is. Utilization's like 77. Days to cover is like 2.31. Ortex on Doge? Do they have short interest numbers on crypto? That would be sweet. Who is the mouse? It's my mouse. Right here. It's charging right now. Let's see. Come on, Amy. 24.63. It needs one more little push to just get it above there. After MOASS, SUV will get a true PS. Yeah, maybe. No jokes. Can you show us the Ortex data on DNUT? Yeah, I can. All right, Pico. Pico. No, you're getting put on the steps again. All right, what did we want? Ortex on D-Nut and something else? D-Nut. Krispy Kreme. Uh, 11.23%. Utilization 96.59. Pretty high cost to borrow. Days to cover, pretty high as well. Interesting. What was the other one? What was the other one that we wanted to look at? There's an absolute brick sitting at 2460. Oh boy. How old am I? 22. Do you see Tesla selling merch for Doge? I'm not surprised. Yeah, not surprised on that one. All right, Amy. 2456 right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. She's looking like she's a little flaggy. Come on. Come on, Amy. I know you want to do it. Hey, get me another cookie. What happened? I do have a bunch of cookies. STV's 23 today? No. Nope. 24 still. I mean, sorry, 22. AMC's at 24.57. I was looking at that. You look like you are 17. Yeah, but when I'm like 50, how old am I going to look? You guys don't think about the long game. AMC is, you lost almost $100. That's it? That's all you've lost on AMC so far? Come on. So STV did something with a squirrel and now a mouse. No, did nothing with neither. All right, Amy. 24.49 right now. We're seeing that battle around 24.50. SPY settling down here. If it gets a little bit jumpy going into close, we've got 53 minutes left. Oh, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun going into close. Wow, SB, you really do know how to talk to a girl. I think you really tried. You could talk Amy into anything. And I mean anything. All right, Margot. I don't know about that. I mean, I'm trying to talk her into going to 25 right now. Why use a wireless mouse? Because it just came with the computer, guys. That's just what it came with. Let's see. Boss him out of the SPY calls. Oh boy. Oh boy. Nightmare. Thanks for the super PCO. Pico has Ligma. It's tragic. Oh boy. I wonder what that is. Total positions 29K on AMC, 40K on GME. There you go, Corey. Ortex on AMC, it's 19.3%. And the date, I could recite them to you at this point. 3K down, but I know people 30K down. Imagine being 300K down though. That's 100% of your app. Yeah, that would be rough. That would be. Oh, here she goes. Little pop here. Stop using Apple. You know what? I don't know how to use anything else. So this is what we've got right now. With the volume so high, maybe a squeeze. No, this is not a squeeze. Down 16K in the last 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm down a lot too. Go Burr. Down thousands, but it's unrealized. Exactly. You didn't realize anything. You didn't even realize you had the loss. Exactly. You just got to not look at it. Just kidding. You got to do what you're comfortable with. All right. Amy battling around that 24.50 again. GME is running. Mouse connected. All right. Yeah, a little bit right here. Amy's trying. GME up 7.63 right now. There we go. SPY. I know you want to do it. I know you want to. 500 million would be a lot of volume. This is good. Yeah, I mean, we've seen this type of volume before on AMC. I mean, it's probably going to hit 100 million. I mean, we've got like 51 minutes left and it's at 90. Where is it? 96. How old is TMI? Has he told you guys before? Whatever happened to unrealized gains tax? I don't know, but it's stupid. You know why unrealized gains tax is stupid? Here's why. This is why it's stupid. One, if you pay a tax on an unrealized gain, what are you going to do when you sell it? You going to pay another tax? So what's the taxable event? How do you avoid a taxable? There's no taxable event. You create the taxable event by buying and selling. It's stupid. But it has to do, I think what they really have to do with is like stepped up basis. That's what they're talking about. But either way. Oh, SPY is, I mean, we've been calling for that SPY up to VWAP for a little while. We're going to need Amy to get a little bit of that juice. You're a AMC. Yes. After hours moves up or down, it's probably going to flicker around. Heading into the Fed meeting, I think it's going to be a little flickery. He just turned 24. How many times do we have to say it? I did not turn 24. I'm 22 right now. TMI is 6 in mask years. Interesting. An unrealized loss write-off? That would be sweet. All right, basketballs. Here we go. Basketballs and rockets. That's what we need right now. We need basketballs and rockets to get the SPY above VWAP to use it as support and then come like it needs to go above VWAP, bounce, and then up. And AMC needs to hit 25. Lucid moving. Geo. There you go. Geo, did you get those NASDAQ YOLOs? I didn't get any of them. Lucid was probably the best one to get, but it was up 6% in the pre-market yesterday, I think, and then dropped. Also, cup and handle on Amy. Yeah, right here. SCV collecting Social Security. Squirrel power. I guess so. Lucid is ripping into close. Alrighty. Come on, people. Let's do it. I know Amy wants to go. Smash that like, you slackers. The OREV, thank you. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream just helps get some more people in here. You guys are crushing it with the likes recently. I think this morning we got over 1,000 again, which is insane. Thank you guys. You can offset gambling gains with losses if you itemize. Interesting. I'll keep that in mind when I go to the casino next weekend. Amy. Come on. She wants to get going. It's got that cup and handle. Let's see if she goes. I mean, we saw one right here too, but it didn't extend. It didn't get going. Pico has 6 toes. That's interesting. If you have a loss on a current trade but want to hang on to it, would it help taxes to sell and rebuy? I think that's a wash sale. And I think you're still busted. You know, P&L? For me, it would just be more like an L. GME coming up, 148 right now. Here we go. GME up 8% right now. Amy up 6.3. Looking good into close right now. Hold on. Is Pico causing problems again? He wants to drop. All right. I disagree. You obviously didn't think that when you owned it and then you paper handed it. Like, you can do whatever you want, but I don't know, man. I think it's a little sus. All right. I mean, you're just going to keep getting put in timeout. Like, I'll just keep timing you out. I'm going to keep putting you on the steps and exercising my dictatorship over you. You're in my realm. This is my dominion. You play by my rules in here. If you make stupid comments that don't make any sense, you get a timeout. If you're going to just play around and say shilly things, then that's fine. I'll just have some fun with you. But now I'm getting tired of it. So if I see it, I'll just time you out. All right, people. Because he was down 50 cents. Amy's at 27.74. It wants to get going here. It's ready to go. She's ready. Love the channel, but I'm long the VIX this week because I don't trust Powell. Hey, fair enough. Fair enough, man. Sometimes you do. Sometimes, I mean, I've gone long on the VIX many, many times. We all assume shorts added to their position in the last 2 days. I would guess if we got to 50, they should start covering. No. That if we got to 50, they couldn't now cover here. If we got to 50, they'd be screwed. They'd be deep in the red. Short the Ortex. VIX, I had to beat up Jim Cramer to secure Spider-Man ticket for this weekend. Hey, man, whatever you got to do. What do you think AMC will be at by the end of the day? I don't know. I'm hoping for that break above 25. That's what I want to see. That's what we've been talking about all day. It's looking like it can. I mean, is the option chain on January 20 enough to start a major gamma squeeze? Right now, it's medium. But the reason why I like it so much is because it's already it's got enough time to expiration for it to get nasty, like super nasty, like June. When AMC NFT, you should have gotten some already. Lucid. Oh, Amy, I know you want to go. 27-22 end of day, says Jeremy. Jeremy, I'd love to see it. What would be the worst thing that J Powell could say tomorrow? We're speeding up. Here we go. 25 break right here. Just broke it. All right. So that was 25.06. We're going to. All right. That was a nice one. But we need to. Oh, here it goes. Oh, she's getting spicy. Amy's getting spicy at this $25 mark. Here we go. SPY's not coming up either. So this is a full Amy move right here. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. I like it. I like it. Rockets and basketballs. Here we go. Okay, so the worst thing that Powell could say is we're speeding up the taper by like 4 months or like crazy high. And then they get to the rate hike sooner and then they can just suck money out of the system. That would be bad. I don't think he's going to do that though. All right, Amy right now, 24.93.97. Oh, she's ready to go. The buyers are stepping in right now. There it is. There's another 25, 25.04. 07 is the new day high. It looks like she's broken 20. No. Come on. Come on. All right, now SPY's starting to get a little bit of a move up. That could help us in our efforts. GME coming up at 148 right now. GME looking like it wants to break that 148 as well. Amy up above 25. Day high now at 25.07. Here we go. I'm yelling. There we go, Ben. Get the excitement coming back in here. All right. This next candle, we're going to need it to close above 25. Nope, didn't do it. All right. We're going to need to see a candle close above 25. Right now, 24.95, 96. Here we go. Santa is coming. Here we go. Amy and GBR. Oh, boy. Get hype, some confidence going. Let's do it. GME coming down a little bit. Amy still right knocking on that door of that 25. All right, here we go. Right now we're up 7.27% right now. Amy growing up fast. Yeah. Yep. We want her to get going. We want her to get going. She's knocking on the door right now. Let's see if she can do it. This is the candle's about to close. So let's see So what are we at now? And coming down a little bit. All right, let's see if we can get that another test right now with the SPY coming up. Let's see if we can get a little bit more momentum. GME coming back up to that 148. Let's see what Amy does over here. What time is J Powell meeting? 2 or 2:30. So we'll be live for it. We'll play it. The markets will have a knee-jerk reaction at the FOMC meeting announcement. I mean, it's tomorrow. We will just have to wait a few days for the market to digest the news. Yep. The uptrend will continue. That's what I'm thinking too. I think it's going to be a little bit of volatility after we get the meeting going into close. And then the next couple of days, it's just going to slowly start to melt up once it picks a direction. If there's nothing really new in the meeting. Whoa. That didn't sound good. Should have muted my mic for that one. Sorry, guys. My bad. That one was my fault. All right. Can you play major? I don't know what that is. Amy 2485. Yeah. Sorry. I didn't mean to do that one to you. He's got All right. Oh, Pico's back. Hey, buddy. Hey, dude. Pico's like that little dog that you have that just like bites but like can't actually hurt anybody. And you're just like, oh, you little a-hole. Feels like all the AMC YouTubers own cats. I don't. I have dogs. Or I have one dog. Should have worn a mask into the stream. Sorry, guys. Yeah. You just gave headphone users. I apologize. I apologize. I've been muting it recently. I didn't think it was going to be that bad. That one was not great though. Look how everybody is happy again. Yeah, I know. Oh, Eric, I'm sorry about that, buddy. Your dog's trying to tell you it's going up. I don't, unless you heard the dogs that were outside. Pico. Like nobody like, I don't know why you keep doing this. Are you like Charlie Gasparino in the chat right now? Is that what you're doing? I kind of like it. Oh, we hit 100 mil. Oh, we're getting there at 99.39. I mean, this is some big green volume right here. 723,000, 453,000. Go ahead and ban GME forever. Why would I do that? I have it on my screen every day. Oh, Pico. M. Krieg's got you. Uh-oh. 100 million volume for AMC only up from here. I want to see some gamma tomorrow. You probably won't unless the puts get unhedged. That's what we would need to see. I mean, there's enough puts that are in the money right now that could get unhedged, that could send us up. But the calls aren't going to get us. We're not close enough to any big strikes for it to really send us up. The puts, though, they could help us out. Have you checked Ortex in the last 17 seconds? No, but I can. Let's see. I'm going to guess it's the same exact thing. 19.38. Oh, same exact thing. All right, so we have 19.38, 2.55 million returned, 5.99 million borrowed, basically 6 million, 3.44 million borrowed against AMC today. Days to cover, 2.33. Utilization, 76.24. Oh, Amy. Looking for 25. Are puts gambling or are they designed for something? I mean, options technically, if you're buying them without owning underlying shares, they are technically gambling. Well, it's educated gambling, but yes, gambling nonetheless. But options in general are just for hedging. So if you buy puts, you're basically buying insurance against your position. So if you own shares at 100 of a stock and you buy puts at 95, well, the puts give you the right to sell those shares at 95. So if it goes to 80, you can sell your shares at 95. If it goes to 70, you can sell your shares at 95. If it goes up, your contract is worthless because why would you want to sell at 95? It's insurance. Can you explain days to cover? Yes. So the days to cover is the like total amount of like outstanding short interest divided by an average volume over a certain time frame. So they are using 3 month and 2 week. So what it shows us is it's like, okay, according to the average volume that we've seen, how like per day, how long would it take shorts to get out of their entire position? So as days to cover goes up, which it won't now, maybe a little bit today. I mean, maybe it'll stay flat today with the amount of shares borrowed against and sold into the market. But as days to cover gets higher and remains high, it makes it harder for the shorts to get out of their position because there's lower average volume. So if you have like 40 or 50 million of volume in a day, but you have to cover 10 million shares, well, that's going to be 25 or 20% of the entire volume of the day getting thrown in as buy orders. So it's going to massively jack up the price. Have shorts covered? No. No. They're going to use the borrowed shares tomorrow. Yeah, they could. Oh, here we go. Ultimate bear trap. I still think so, yeah. 200K away from 100 mil. Yep. We're right there. We're knocking on the door. We've got 35 minutes left, people. Do you expect to be a millionaire post-squeeze? Yeah, I should be. That'd be sweet. So high days to cover is a good thing. Yes. Oops. All right. SPY's looking for that move up to VWAP still. Amy, 2484. Oh, what's up, Trey Subway Crumbs? How you doing, man? Shorts will only move money around. They will never cover. I disagree. Come on, SCB. It's been at least 43 seconds since Ortex. All right. Amy moving up here. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. EFE popping right now? Nope. Zscaler added to NASDAQ. I think we already knew that, though. Yeah, I think we already knew that. Hi, Rands. You see the volume for the dark pool trading today? Yeah, it's probably like 70% or something like that, like it usually is. Something stupid. You guys know that that can be like solved very easily, right? You just order to a lit exchange. Like that's an easy solution. It's like don't use somebody that's going to internalize the order. Pico. Your energy is trash. I love how you call it popcorn stock. Should I call you nobody pays me as enough for the video games I turn in stock? Like, is that what we're doing here? Like yeah, AMC sells popcorn. It's a movie theater. I'm not gonna ban them. No. Why? You will just let him chill in the corner. Oh, Vegas got him this time. This is hilarious. Let's see. Pico is unhidden by Vegas. Uh-oh, he's back. Amy, 2485. Here we go. Nah, I didn't ban him yet. Why? He said ban me. I was giving him his wish. No, Vegas, you can time him out. You can 100% time him out as many times as you want. I think this is Amy's looking for that push above 25 again. Like I've timed him out like twice. Like it's fine. Like he's just gonna come back and start talking nonsense. It's fun. We'll just keep timing him out. Why ban him? Oh, SPY just broke VWAP. We could be getting a little bullish here. All right, GME 148.40, Amy 24.92. Got 32 minutes left, people. Here we go. He got what he asked for. Oh, here he goes. Oh, M. Krieg's got him this time. 50 tons of cold popcorn a week. SV Biz and 5 tons of popcorn grease. Yeah. Why wouldn't you? That's like my whole role right here. SCB, do you want to build a snowman? That would be That would be, I mean, I think I would, maybe. What are your thoughts on Neo? I like Neo with their swapping. It's just a different business model that could really, really work. All right, so this is what we're seeing out of SPY. It's above VWAP. It closed, the next candle closed above VWAP. If it starts to get going, it could get a little interesting. SPY is only down now 0.58%. It's making its way back. Amy right now is looking for that cross above 25. There it is. That was a big one right there. That could be the one. That just jumped from like 24.98 to like 25.10. Just skipped everything. Here we go. Pico was the catalyst. All right. Then what we need to see out of AMC is like exactly what we're seeing out of SPY. We need this candle to... Oh, that was a good one. There it goes. There she goes. Come on. Come on. Nope. Couldn't do it. GME is getting some nice candles now, but couldn't hold up. And it's still at 149.09. Amy's having trouble at this 25 here. Teleport to 26. That would be sweet. Popcorn for the win. Yup. Three-legged snowman. Hey, man. SPY coming back down. GME holding up nicely at 149. Some hedgy sold the volume. Yeah. Can I make it bigger? What do you want to make bigger? This whole thing? Yeah. Just going to make it a lot more difficult to do Ortex, which is fine. What if I do this right here? Hold on. I might be able to make it even bigger. Need like 1 second. Come on. Nope. Not going to do it. My docu-call went up 2 cents. Ryan, that's what we love to see. Jump to 125 and I might get excited. Yeah, I'm on that boat with you. All right, GME popping up here. Let's see if Amy's going to get a little action. Hey, we coaxed her in. Margot, we coaxed her up to 25. We did it. I don't need Ortex right now. Thanks. Jax, thank you. Appreciate it. I appreciate it, my man. All right, SPY getting some action here. Come on, Amy. Do it again. Get through that 25 again. That's going to be, I think that'll be the third test that we'll have because we did this one, and now maybe this one. They're coming for it. They don't want it. Still up 1,000% this year, though. Yeah. What do you think will happen after hours? Will Amy keep pushing? I think it's just going to be volatile ahead of the Fed meeting. SCB's dead mouse. Thanks a lot for the Pico Ortex. Anytime. I charged my mouse for like 5 minutes and like. Let's see. She's looking for that break. We got 28 minutes left, people. SPY's looking jumpy. Oh, that's the third test. Are we going to do a little 4-test trend with Amy at this 25 before we go nuclear into close? That would be sweet. Did we get the 100K? I mean, the 100 mil? 101 million in volume. Whew. That is very nice. I mean, we're up 7.28. What's GME up? 9.29. Very solid. Watch the last 10 minutes. Don't trust this. Okay, Chris. Very fair. SCB doesn't wear shirts, only hoodies. Most of the time, I'm always in a hoodie. Unless that one time when you guys saw me in like the suit. But that was mandatory. I had to do that. Also, 800 plus likes. Oh, thank you guys. Appreciate it. They're going to keep shorting at 25. I mean, they were shorting at 70. Like, they're going to keep shorting. Good for them. We're going to keep buying, too. You could say the same thing. Apes and institutions are just going to keep buying. What volume can you honestly say they're covering some? Like 500 million? Knock on your table 3 times. We'll rip. Trust me. I don't know. Am I in a frat? No. I just know a bunch of people in frats, and then I go to all the parties that I wanted to. I don't do much anymore because it's like boring. I'm like, why go? Don't short the like. Hit the ask on the like. Sir Holdington. Thank you. And Pete goes back. All right. Here we go. All right, people. We're coming down a little bit here. GME and AMC both selling off. Same thing with the SPY. Figures. All right. Pfizer coming up a little bit, but we don't really care about them. I just thought there was going to be a little bit of a news thing on some president comment. Yeah, frats are weird, guys. Like, you can say all you want about brotherhood, No. It's weird. And then you're gonna be like, G'd, which is fine. Most successful G'd on campus, though. I just go to things. Like, all my buddies were always in frat, so I was just like, oh, I'm like, what are we doing tonight? They're like, we're going here. I'm like, okay, cool. You hear the new? I go box on it. Yeah, I did hear that. Used to party at Mushroom House with my buddy. That wasn't. I don't know. The houses are going to be named different things. All right, Amy. Let's get that fourth test, huh? Ooh, SPY with a giant candle here. I mean, not giant, but like that's pretty big. 30-cent candle. All right. Let's see here. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. It just helps get some more people in here. Helps boost everything up with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been giving me recently. It means a lot. It's helping out a lot, too. It's that's funny. Let's see here. All right, Amy. 20 more cents. SPY's looking jumpy again. GME coming up. Looking for that 150 break here. There you go. VIX Theta SPY. Yeah, I should. All right. When Adam Aaron declares bankruptcy. Oh, yeah. After they sell a boatload of movie tickets, they're just going to be like, yeah, I quit. No, that's not how that works. Pico for that. Oh, Ryan already got it. Darn it. Oh, and M Creek's got it. Ooh, that's going to be a long one. You're getting piled on the timeout there, buddy. Uh-oh. When you make really stupid comments, then you get timed out. Actually, I feel like this is what we're going to do now. Pico, we've had our fun. You're not really serving any use to me at this point. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to unhide you in your timeout. But now I've banned you. You've been banished. Thank you so much for the super. Knock 3 times on your table. We will rip. Trust me. Didn't work. Hasn't worked. Yeah. Pico, you don't serve, you have no value to me anymore. So you've been now cut off from the live stream. You served your purpose and now you can go to other people's streams and do the same thing. You can't do it here though. You can make a new name and come back and we can play with you again. But now you're done. Eric, thanks for the super. Mike, I'm going to mess with this. Roach. Has anyone seen Mike Roach? Gotcha on that one. You guys got me with one good one time or a couple of good ones. And I'll never live it down. I forget what it was, though. All right, Amy selling off a little bit. 24.72 right now. Still near the highs. SPY right above 464. GME at 148.33 coming down as well. SCE, you're a stone cold killer. He serves no use to me anymore. I had my fun with him. Now he's just annoying. Like, yeah. We all just dunked on you, buddy. How's that feel? You're using your term against you if you're still here. We won't be able to see you talk, though, which is fun. Something obviously special is behind door 25. Yeah, it could be. SPY, yeah, but the market's coming down. I mean, SPY's coming back down to VWAP. We're just kind of seeing it. GME coming up a little bit here, but like no, the OREV. No. You thought we got you a D-Nut? No, I knew D-Nut was a real thing. Like, I knew it was like something. I thought it was Dunkin' Donuts, but it was Krispy Kreme. All right, AMC now back down to that 24.50 range, 24.57 right now. Bitcoin and Ethereum popping. Kriegs, what do we have to say about that? Is your real name Kid Rock? No, it's not. All right. Fourth test break. Let's go. I mean, the next one, if we get it, we got 20 minutes left. That would be the fourth test. SPY now back down below VWAP at 463.74, I think 75, coming down a little bit. Here we go. I don't know. I'm brushing my teeth and doing stuff. That's fair, M. Crease. You can do what you got to do. Oh God, Simply Smith coming in hot. All right, here we go. Amy, come on. We know you can do it. Bounce time? Yeah, let's do it. Little candle here. GME getting a little one too. What's your shopping list post MOASS / crash with all your attendees? I don't know. I gotta not be a stupid idiot spending money on stuff I really shouldn't be spending money on post MOASS. That's the key. Don't blow your money. Yeah, Bitcoin's moving. However, it's not broken resistance at 50,500. Okay, cool. Honestly, I just want a house. Dividend stocks, good idea. Alrighty, come on. All right, we've got 18 minutes left before the market closes. We got AMC trying to get back up above that 50 MA right now. Let's see. We might get that fourth test at 25 by the end of the day. Let's see. Jared, thank you so much for that super. All the negative news have already been priced in at yesterday's drop. Time for AMC and GME to rip. I would have to agree with you. I mean, it wasn't bad news. Like GME's earnings, like they beat revenue, missed EPS, then Adam Aaron and the NFT stuff, then the selling, and then like the market started to freak out ahead of the Fed meeting. It was just a perfect storm for shorts. We could easily see that perfect storm for the longs come back, especially in January. I still like January. Like I'm not gonna. Am I back? Hold on. Did we just lag out for a second? I got that notice again that was like, you are offline. I think we're back. I didn't see it. I didn't see anything really freak out. Smash the like, says Eric. Thank you, buddy. Pico bought DD on the way down. Still good? All right, cool. Yeah, sometimes like glitched out for a second and then it's like, you are offline. And then I'm like, that's unfortunate. I wish I would. But now we're back, I guess. So we're good. 100 more likes, go. You never left? All right, cool. Eric, always coming in bullish on the likes on my stream. Thank you, my man. All right, GME, 147.75, AMC, 24.53 right now. But Bitcoin does look like it wants to pump. Hey. Let's see. Do you ever know whether she likes to fake out breakout? Yeah, she does. Oh God, Lex, that was aggressive. Just wondering, do people hold AMC on Robinhood? They probably do. I mean, you don't really like. You're just holding. Like it's probably not the worst in the world, unless they're gonna do some weird BS again. But if you're buying, I would say try and rethink that one. $25 incoming. Hey man, we got 16 minutes left. We're getting close to the time where we start to see the real battle happen. The big boys start to step in and be like, what do we want it to close at today? So let's see. I mean, that's kind of what it is. Like a lot of the time, like retail is caught in the middle between big institutions that are long and short. I miss the feeling of giant green days. I mean, me too, but I think we're going to get back there soon. AMC is past its prime. We have to look for young talent like Walmart. That might be the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Like, I've heard so many people say really stupid things, but you saying that we need to look for young talent like Walmart, like a value dividend stock, you can do what you want with your money. Fine. You'll probably do great with Walmart. Lower risk, lower potential for return. But that was a poor statement right there. That was not a very intelligent statement that you've made. And I think you should take that back. I don't know. I think that was I hope that was a joke. I've seen you say a couple like bullish things. Yeah, I know you are trolling. I knew it, double the money. I knew it. I've seen you say some bullish things over here, and then you come out with that, and I'm like, hold on, what? Pico made a new account. No, he was joking. I saw him say some good stuff earlier, and I was like, then I saw a couple other comments. I was like, hold on, what? He was like, one of the other ones was like, I'm down $100 on AMC, and I was like, that's it? Like what? Like what did you get in like today or yesterday? Like what are you talking about? I love this guy's channel. Cracks me up all day. That's the goal. I'm a comedian. That's at heart. That's what I do. Ooh, what the hell was that? I'm getting more comfortable. I'm loosening up on the streams. We get to have some more fun. SPY coming back up here. Rhode Island takes to the super. Walmart short squeeze. Next play. Yeah, with a short interest of 4% or something. Like, hey, but at least they pay dividends, right? Right? We're thinking over here. Oh, in Walmart. Hasby, thanks for giving me that kidney I needed. It was okay. That was weird. That was a very Walmart is the next AMC. Father son type thing. AMC is passing the torch on to Walmart. Okay. All right. We've got a Walmart bowl in here. There we go. AMC is for looser. You can't even spell right. You're going to get put in timeout for being literally every single shill that comes in here is either wildly grammatically incorrect or did not pass second grade spelling. Can you check Ortex on Walmart? You know what? You know what? Just for you, I will. Let's check the Ortex data on Walmart. And then we have to be focused. Then we have to start focusing. The estimated short interest is a whopping 0.86% on Walmart with a utilization of 0.11%. Definitely gonna squeeze. Walmart Ortex cost to borrow 0.01. It's free. It's free to short it. All right, Amy, 24.52. SPY coming down a little bit here. Leave the fools in the con. No, I just timed him out. He can come back. Second grade spelling can be pretty tough. If you're a second grader, yes. Walmart gonna pop. Huge squeeze coming. Early adopter play alert. You guys are having fun today. I mean, you guys were fun yesterday, but on green days today when we're ripping up, trying to get back above 25, having a lot of fun. All right, Pico, get on Walmart. Yeah, well, Walmart's more expensive than AMC in terms of like per share. So Pico would love Walmart, but he would love Berkshire A the most. Bing bong, the price is wrong. Yep, Walmart is in a bubble. I mean, good laughs, good laughs. Yeah, we're having fun. You can now send stocks to others over Cash App. That's really cool. Okay, so Cash App might be growing on me a little bit, except I'm guessing they use some payment for order flow BS. But if you can just like send stocks to other people, that's pretty cool. And you don't have to do one of those like transfer of ownership forms. You could just, oh, Amy pop in here. You don't have to do one of the, because you can do like a transfer of ownership and you can transfer ownership of stocks to other people, but the process is going to be longer. If on Cash App, you can just be like 5 AMC to this person. That's cool. So you could just, it's like crypto kind of. You could just send it to people. Elon buying out Walmart. Cash App for nope. Pico can't count. Who would short Walmart? Too many. Oh God. I get a kick out of the shills that come in and make the stream pop. Yeah, exactly. Then I just rant and then more people stay. Like, you're helping me. Walmart coin. Fun fact, that presentation that I had to do last week was on Walmart. Early market on close imbalance, 224 million to the buy side. SPY coming down, AMC chilling at 24.56. Here we go. We're all such jokesters. Alexander, you're right, man. Here we go. Basketballs. I'd love to see it. Shills are trying to look uneducated. I mean, the goal of being a shill would that's like you would try to look very educated, right? You would want to make other people like if I was a shill, I'd be like, I need to sound really smart to convince these people that what they're doing is stupid. But if me acting stupid convinces other people, like that would just be your conversion rate is going to be very low. Target is better. Not according to the financial analysis that we had to look at for my project. Well, technically, they'd be more undervalued. We could go through my Walmart presentation if you guys want to. I don't think you do, though. Puts on Walmart. Breaking. Walmart to issue its first NFT, Pico coin. Fun fact, SCB will throw a tantrum if you try giving a PB and jelly sandwich with crust on it. Nah, I mean, I'd be a fan of that. All right, 24.67 AMC. SPY popping up. Jared, I like this one. Thanks for the super, my man. Yesterday we had some bullshit action. Today we have some bullish action. I like that a lot. All right. No. You didn't read it right. What White? You didn't read it correctly. All right, guys. Oh, what's up, Long? How you doing? If you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream helps get some more people in here. We got 8 minutes left until close. We'll hang on for a couple of minutes after close as well. Let's do it. Pico now accidentally state. Costco is a solid play. All right. The Walmart thing was a joke. Abe's not leaving. Yeah, we're not going anywhere, guys. Zero, like going zero places. All right. Apes are in lockdown. Is that too far? Because we're not leaving. We're not going anywhere. Is that too far? I don't know. I don't know what the vibe is like. I don't know if I can make that kind of joke yet. LTD. Yeah. The old tug and pull. The good old days. All right. Amy's at 24.67. Evergreen, can't wait. The OREV. Truth of VIX says, I'm going to the mood. Don't know what you're talking about. 101 short interest on AMC. I mean, it could be, but there's no data right now. Can I grab a PTPI Ortex update? Yeah, you can. I think it was pretty aggressive the other day when we looked at it. Let me look. 27.96. Cost to borrow is absolutely off the charts. Minimum 361%. Utilization 86.6%. These lending institutions are like the Dows. When they lend out these shares, they're getting like hard to borrow shares. They're literally like their own Dow in terms of like the returns that they're getting. They're the original crypto Ponzi scheme. No, the talking pole. It was because I accidentally said it one time when we were like going back and forth, and I was like, "Oh, it's like a tug," because I was thinking of tug of war when it's like going back. All right, whatever, it's fine. You guys got me on that one. Can I check the Wish short interest? Yeah. Yep, I can. But then no more, and we have to focus on Amy going into close. All right. Let's see. Wish 11.35. Cost to borrow pretty low. Utilization 70.84. All right, here we go. Let's see. We know who you were thinking about. No. All right, Amy, 24.44. SPY selling off into close right now. I mean, it was having a very solid run up, and then it just said, got tired. Pfizer doing good. GME 146. It's flickering in that 146 range, up 7%. Amy's up 5% right now. Still a very solid day. Please, a 20% green day this week. That would be sweet. That would be sweet. Ho, there we go. Nate says, I'm long. All right. All right, buddy. You know what? Double the money. I like you. We're going to have some fun. Schiller PE currently higher than. Is it really? Oh, God. All right, Amy. I mean, SPY's trying to make its way back up. Let's see if Amy can. I mean, we got 4 minutes left. I don't know if we're going to get that fourth test of 25 today. I mean, if we close it above 24.50, that would be sweet as well. From low to high, what's it like 16, 17%-ish? I think it's 20. It's 24.40 from like, what was it? 2027. $4.20-ish. Like, that's big. That's like almost, it's like 18 to 20% from the low. That's huge. Oh, what's up, Pam? How you doing? You can't short if you're too tall. That's fair. What's your prediction for tomorrow? I think we're going to see I mean, okay, here's the thing. I think the market's going to be kind of calm. It's going to bounce around a little bit, and then it's going to settle down, wait until the FOMC meeting at 2 or 2:30. And then after and during that meeting, it's going to get a little bit volatile. But if we see that the market likes whatever Jerome Powell has to say, then I think we're going to start that Santa rally back. Like, I think it's going to let it just run. And I think that's going to give us a way to an avenue to see new all-time highs on the SPY by the end of the year. And then also off of that, if we see a lot of bullishness in the overall market, then we could see AMC and GME really start to get going again. But if the market doesn't like what the Fed has to say, we're going to chop around for a few days. And then I also still think we move back up to the upside. I said, Pam. Will you be covering the meeting / news from it? Yeah, we'll stream it tomorrow. So it'll be like during this stream, this time block, just tomorrow. I have a feeling the markets will like what Jerome has to say. I do too. 16% up. Bought my first shares today. Good luck. Pure luck. Roman, welcome to the ape community. There we go. I'm back. Good work finding the boom boom candle, says Jessica. There you go. Yeah, we did pretty good, Jessica. We held it down until you got back. What time is he talking tomorrow? 2. That's when the meeting starts. Starts at 2. Do you think we test 20 again tomorrow? More money clearing? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we could. If the market's going to be, that's the thing. Like, if we're going to trend up in terms of like the market, then no, we're not going to do any of that crap. But if the market's going to have like a 0.5% red or more day in the pre-market leading in, then yeah, AMC could do what it did today during the pre-market and just start to tank. But remember, like it was down over 10% in the pre-market, and now we're up 5 on the day. It hit a low of like 20 something, like 20, 30. It's insane. Please, let's have an aftermarket boom boom. That would be sweet. My broker is a Texas Instruments calculator. That's interesting. Simply Smith, you're heading out. Later, buddy. I'll see you in the morning. So are we on SSR again tomorrow? No, we shouldn't be, because we were literally like a penny above it in the pre-market. Oh, no. We might be on SSR tomorrow. If it triggers in the pre-market, then yes. All right, 1 minute till close, people. We're at 29.46.47 right now. Let's see if we can get that close above 20.50. Let's do it. 100. Well, I mean, we might get 106 million in volume. We got less than a minute to go. We're at 105.96 right now in terms of volume. 0.97, 0.98, 0.99, 106 million. Oh, we just hit 24.50. Here we go. 24.50 close. There we go. Nice. With a volume of 106.03 million. That is a lot. Up 5.42% on the day. GME was up 7.77. Lucky number 7 over there. SPY ripped up into close as well. What is that? What's VWAP doing over here? So SPY closed at 463.44, down 0.67%, coming back from the depths of 460.25. Oh, we had a low of 20.80 in the regular hours today. Did we? What did it open at? Yeah. Okay. So either way, we did it. I think. Come on, Amy. All righty. How's everybody feeling? We doing good? I'm a new subscriber. Where's my Tootsie Roll? I don't think that's a thing over here. Yeah, what did it open at? I could just look at the open. 2093 it opened. So low of the day, 2080. Okay, cool. So we're on SSR tomorrow. Not like it helps a whole lot. Based on previous close, we're only up like 1%. No. Previous close, we're up 5.42. Do you remember Pico? I do remember Pico. Gang, what's up, people? Could have been worse. At least it was green. Yeah. I'm hoping Marge will call soon. And we need a lot more. We would need like 35 to really start considering that. A new subscriber. Where's my electric blue entrance fee? No. Let's see. All right, guys. That was a fun day. I think we're going to wrap up the stream for the day. That was fun. You guys are awesome. We had a lot of laughs as usual. I think we're going to do a lot more of that, especially when we're having good days. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm going to work on a video to put out for later tonight. I just got to see what's going on and what we need to talk about and what you guys should know. But yeah, when that's coming out, it'll be 7:15 EST. So be ready. Maybe I'll find something good. Later, guys. Thank you. Also, if you guys don't mind, just leaving a like on the video on the way out. Just helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much.